fight. One side thinks that the gorilla would pull a Winston and just completely thrash the army of humans with ease, while the other side believes that the sheer numbers would let the humans just beat up the gorilla like it's Naruto. But who is actually correct? Is a gorilla versus 100 people actually a fair fight, or is it actually a stomp? Does the gorilla win, or do the humans?
They are able to lift more than 10 times their own body weight, and according to research, they could bench press more than 5,000 pounds. The bodies of these gorillas consist mainly of muscles, and their body fat can be as low as 5 to 10. Years of research have shown that the silverback gorilla is stronger than 30 adult men combined.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Jumping off from on the stage, throwing bow like Johnny Cage. I might throwing rides, knocking down a barricade. And then when we be too deep in him,
Nigga.
Duck,